After connecting your Prokey device to a desktop, laptop or mobile phone, press and hold the C key on the device. This will open up the Prokey main menu. Choose the wallet recovery option and confirm your choice. Next, choose the number of seed words and press Next. Your Prokey device allows you to select the first 2 letters of each word, which will generate a list of suggested words. Choose every of the seed word from each generated list. Do so for all 24 words. Now all you need to do is to disconnect your device and reconnect it again and head to prokey.wallet.io to start using your wallet again. That is all for this video. See you in the next one.